Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I am standing in front of a brand new 2020 Chevy Silverado Rocky Ridge Custom XP Edition. Now it is an RST Z71 All-Star Edition Silverado that comes with a Ecotec 5.3 liter V8 engine. We have back tinted windows and 22 by 12 inch satin black wheels, all black running boards. And when we get inside this vehicle, you can see that we do have our premium Bose speakers, all black weather mats, jet black cloth seating with a gray lining. We have a sunroof. And when it comes to the front, we have a brand new Chevy MyLink radio, heated seating, auto stop start, push to talk, a heated steering wheel, and even your standard cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day.